Hey, welcome back to part 2 of the computer build. All we're going to be doing is adding an extra stick of 2 GB of RAM. So we're going to go from 4 gig up to 6 gig. Now, on this one right here, the white ones are the main, the first set. So if you put in 4 gigs, those are the ones you want to use. Then the black ones are the secondary. So what we're going to do is we're going to add this other one in here. As you can see, there's a slot in there, so you have to line up the slot pretty good. And once you get them in the right spot and line them up, what happened is they will pop into place. You gotta make sure they snap in just right, because if they're not seated right, see how they just clipped in like that? It's just really that simple. If you don't seat it just right, the computer won't fire up right, and it will start beeping at you and telling you did something wrong. So we're gonna go ahead and get the last one in, and we will be up to 6 gigs just that quick. Now on this system, this is called DDR2. So, and on the new system we're going to be building is DDR3. The new system, we're going to be running 32 gigabytes of RAM to help keep up with anything that Adobe After Effects can throw at it. Usually some of my composites are pretty intensive, so hopefully that'll handle anything I can throw. So that's your RAM installed. It's just that simple. This system right here has one more slot, so I can add another 2 gigs, so to go up to 8 gigs on this one. So we're pretty much maxing out this older system. Right now I just use it as an editor, so it seems to be just fine for what I'm using it for. But anyways, this is an older Dell. Don't ever buy a Dell. They are just really not I can't even tell you, I would never buy another Dell. Dell's no good. So anyways, let's go ahead, and the next step we're going to do, we're going to be adding in a extra hard drive. So step back for part 3 of this video.